Today we are going to talk about that how much budget you actually need to start CPA marketing. Is it $10, $100 or $1,000? So we'll tell you everything in a complete detail. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we discuss about that how much budget you need to actually do CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, let's discuss that what are the factors where you can lose money, because if you don't consider these factors, then it doesn't matter that your budget is $100 or $10,000, you are eventually going to lose all of your money and you are not going to make any profit over there. So the first factor where you can lose money is a offer. So always make sure you choose a good CPA or affiliate offer, because if you are choosing offer that is not good, then it doesn't matter that your budget is $100 or $1,000 or $2,000, you are not going to get enough sales and conversion rate over there, and you are not going to make much profit over there, and you will be eventually in loss. Also, a lot of time I have seen that people choose an offer that they think is good offer, and they think that it will convert good in future. So you don't have to think like that. If you want to know how to choose a good CPA offer, I've already made a video on this topic. If you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in description also, and in the I button you can click anywhere to watch that video. The second factor where you can lose money is on tracker. So make sure you properly track your campaigns. A lot of time I have seen that people think that using a tracker is a waste of money. Why we have to use a tracker? We can make our campaigns profitable without using a tracker. Why to invest or spend on a tracker every month? But I have to tell you that you don't have to think like this, because a tracker will only tell you like which keyword is bringing you the conversion, which device is giving you the conversion, which ad copy, which IP address, which city, which state is giving you the conversion, and on the basis of all of these data and metrics you are going to optimize your campaign, and then your campaigns will be profitable. So if you are not going to use a tracker, then you don't get all of these metrics and your campaign will be always in loss. So make sure to use a tracker from day one. The third factor that can be the reason to lose money is called strategy. If I give you a good CPA offer, if you are using proper tracking on your campaigns, if you are using a good traffic source, your traffic quality is 100%, but your strategy is not up to the mark, you don't know how to convert the user, how to create the landing pages, how to write compelling ad copies, how to do optimization, how to do scaling, then also your campaigns will be always in loss and you are not going to make that much profit from your campaign. So strategy matters a lot. So make sure you use a proper strategy to optimize and scale your campaigns. So now let me tell you the exact formula that you need to use to know how much budget you actually need to promote your CPA and affiliate offer. So the formula is P into 5. So what is P here? P is the payout that is offered to you by your CPA or affiliate offer. So let's say that you are going to promote a CPA offer and the payout that it offers to you is $80. So you multiply this by 5. So you get around like $400. So this $400 is your testing budget, and this budget you are going to spend over a week, that is for 7 days. And if you want to know that what is your daily budget for the campaign, then you just have to divide this 400 by 7, then you are going to get the daily budget that you are going to spend on your campaigns. So let's say you spend around $400 over 7 days on your campaign and you didn't got any sale or conversion, then in that case you just have to leave that CPA offer or affiliate offer that you are promoting. You have to shift to another CPA offer or the affiliate offer, because there can be many reasons, like you have made a mistake, the offer is not good, there can be anything. So you don't have to think over that, you just have to shift from that offer to the another offer. But if you spend around $400 over a week and you got around 1 sale or 2 sale or 5 sale, then in that case you have to continue that offer for the another week, that is the second week. You have to collect more data from your tracker and then you have to start the optimization process. So from the next time, if you want to know that how much budget you need to actually promote a CPA or affiliate offer, just multiply that offer's payout with 5, then you are going to get the amount that you need to actually promote that offer over Bing Ads or Google Ads. So I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.